Hi there, it's Dev Bilal. This is video 5 of our header series in which we are going to learn how to customize the main menu section of your website. First of all, you need to go to Toolbox and Menu Manager. Here you will see main menu. You can click on Edit. For example, here I want to add a new button here about my testimonials or business videos. I will save changes, refresh the page. Now it is here. The question is that how you learn that the video page URL is slash videos. You can learn about the URL of multiple pages from web page builder and from edit post setting. In the web page builder, you will learn the login page URL, pricing page URL is slash join. You can also click on edit and change the URL if you want to change. You can find the contact us page URL here, etc. The same case with the post like discussions, articles, videos, properties, their URLs are here. So the video page URL is slash videos. So I want to add a new button here, events. I will click on add menu item. Here I will write events, the URL, because it is same as it is here. The event page URL is slash events. You can change it by click on edit. If you want to use another URL, you can URL permalink. You can write here, for example, upcoming events. Save changes. Now I will write here upcoming events. Save changes here. Refresh the page. It is working. Okay, so that's the point. You can change the URL as well. Now how to add drop downs here. For example, I have categories and I want to use some categories in quick URL. The main category is web development and there are 24 subcategories. Let's add a drop down here. Services. You need to add two drop downs because services will be up, and let's make it sub. Let's save changes first. Now you have an option to add multiple drop downs here, 1 2 3 4, and you can also make them. If you don't want to make them a drop down, you can make it tilt here. Okay, I will go to categories and here API development. I will write here API development. I will copy the URL of API development here. Save changes, refresh the page. Now we have a drop down here. Okay, so if you want to add a sub drop down here, for example, you can simply make them under sub. Like if you want to do some buttons under it, under backend development, you can make it like this one. Refresh the page. Okay, so there are two here. So that's how you can use some item here. If you want to delete any of them, you can click on hide item as well. It will be hidden, etc. So that's how you can use it as well. You can do some CSS classes here that we will learn in the next few videos. If you want to get help with your Brilliant Directories website, you can let us know. We are here to help. Thanks so much.